In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments on Gumroad so you can easily withdraw your money. Whether you're a content creator, an artist, or an entrepreneur selling products online, having a streamlined payment process is essential for your business. And Gumroad makes it pretty straightforward. Let's jump in and get that set up. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Gumroad website, open up your preferred browser, and simply type in gumroad.com. Once you've reached the main page, you're going to want to log into your account. You'll see the login button at the top right of the page, so go ahead and click on that. Now, Gumroad offers a convenient way to log in using your Google account. You'll see an option to log in with Google. Click on it, and if you haven't already signed into your Google account on your browser, it will ask you to do so. If you're already signed in, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. This is a quick and efficient way to access your Gumroad account without having to remember yet another password. Once you're logged in, we'll need to navigate to the settings area to set up your payment information. So look for the settings option. It's typically represented with a gear or wrench icon. Click on settings and you'll be directed to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, on the left hand side menu, find and click on payments. It's here where you'll be able to enter your banking information so Gumroad can send you your hard earned money. You'll have two options for receiving payments, a bank account or PayPal. Each has its own benefits depending on your needs. If you prefer to receive your payments via PayPal, start by clicking on the PayPal option. Gumroad will guide you through the process to link your PayPal account to your Gumroad profile, ensuring your transactions are smooth and secure. PayPal is a widely used platform and offers some advantages like fee transparency and international transfers, making it a solid choice for many. Once you've selected PayPal, you'll need to log into your PayPal account to give Gumroad the necessary permissions. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. This may include setting some preferences for automatic transactions, so read through each prompt carefully. And that's pretty much it. You are now ready to receive payments effortlessly from Gumroad into your PayPal account. This setup will ensure you can focus on creating and selling your products, while Gumroad handles the financial transactions seamlessly for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your online business.